Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by checking that your PC runs the required Windows 11 build and you're signed into your Microsoft account. That ensures Widgets can pull personalized content. Next, open the Widgets panel using the taskbar icon or press Win+W to launch it instantly. Once done, scan the available widgets list and click Add to place one into the panel. This first step connects services and enables the drag-to-desktop workflow you'll use next. Now that the Widgets panel is open, click and hold a widget and drag it onto the desktop or to the desired area of the panel. Release to pin it in place. Make sure to open the widget settings to adjust size, content sources, and permissions so it shows relevant updates. Once you configure those options, rearrange multiple widgets by dragging and use Focus Assist or Snap layouts to keep them visible without obstructing apps. This balances utility with workspace tidiness. To finish, lock your layout by minimizing movement. Use Snap layouts or simply place widgets where they don't overlap active windows so they stay accessible. If a widget refuses to display or update, restart Windows Explorer or toggle widgets off and on in settings. That often resolves cache or rendering issues. If the problem persists, make sure your Microsoft account sync and the widget's permissions, location, calendar, notifications are enabled, because many failures trace back to missing access rather than app bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.